Dear friends, let's talk about the range equivalent. In the case of general force system, in which we will come to know what is a range means a definition. Then what is a positive range? Then what is a negative range? Then examples of both ranges. Before this lecture, I have developed the range and its application. So that is in the description box. One can refer that. And now let us discuss one by one. What is this general force system? Okay. So suppose this is our 3D body. Okay. Now we talk about the forces. This is like one force, this is like one force, this is another, this is another. F1, suppose F2, it is F3 and F4. So in general force system, we talk about line of action of the forces are line of action of the forces are neither parallel nor concurrent. Okay, concurrent means all the forces passes through the same point, common point. This is the example of concurrent. And parallel means like uh, these are the forces where line of actions of all the forces are parallel. So neither parallel nor concurrent forces are there, then the system is known as the concurrent force system. Okay, now let us talk about range. How one can define the range? Okay, so for this, the range, when the resultant couple C M is parallel to the resultant force C R. Okay, means suppose this is the resultant force and this is the resultant couple M. So this is known as the range equivalent. The simplest equivalent, the range equivalent means, and this can be written as, because the M means couple is free vector. So this can be replaced by this R and the couple vector. Okay, or you can say the moment, because free vector M couple is the free vector, moment is the free vector, so we can shift it from here to here, we can shift. Okay, then now both are collinear. ठीक है, पहले कैसा था, पैरेलल था. ठीक है, but we can convert it in the form of this. So now it becomes the And direction also we have to show. So direction is suppose this one. So it it is now known as positive range. Okay, now suppose direction is this is R, okay, and this is the M, and the direction is like this, means anti-clockwise. See, now both R and M are in opposite direction, so it is known as the negative range. Okay, if we talk about the example, so you can see very common or our everyday example is screw driver, where both the R and the axis of rotation are in the line with the screw drive. So in this way, one can understand what is the general force system, then what is the range equivalent, what is the definition of range, and what is the positive range and negative range. Then example range once again, when the resultant couple and the resultant force becomes parallel, then it is known as range. And how it becomes parallel, so this will be known in the next lecture. And the example, so very common example is screwdriver. Thank you.